Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Congo. On tonight's menu, Fumbwa. The morning mise en place. The mise en place for the Maji spice blend. Here's the Maji spice blend. Here's just after prep. Here's the evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in the brazier. Add the onions and saute for a few minutes. And then I add the garlic and saute some more for about 30 seconds. And then I add the chicken and sauteed to brown. And then I add the shrimp and continue to saute. Then I add the spice blend, the Maji. And then I add the tomatoes and stir them in. And then I add the spinach. I didn't do enough, and get it stirred in. The rice is ready. Here's the dish in the brazier. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for coming here to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy the presentation. Have fun cooking.